So should be able to just use a large pair of pliers and should just turn pretty easy if you can't find a socket that'll fit it. Shouldn't be on there. Just hand tightened. Just a little more than hand tightened anyway. I'm going to take that off of there. Be sure to put it up where it won't get no dirt on it. And then remove washers behind it. Oop, look at that. Washers come out. One washy-dashi. And then your bearing. Oh, and look at there. There you go. Yeah, just go ahead and put it in the dirt after you've put it so that it won't get no, you know, that's gonna happen. You might as well just go ahead and throw it in the sandbox, right? So, all right, so then you take your bearing out.